The following video will go over how to initialize your Prime recorder or camera using the SADP tool. So now that I have the SADP tool up, you can see there's two devices. One is inactive and one is active. We're going to go ahead and activate the inactive device. So just go ahead and check the box, and then it'll tell you that the device is not activated. And now just go ahead and create yourself a custom password, and then select Activate. Alright, so now your device is activated. I just wanted to go over one last thing here. It's important to note that your device and your computer is on the same IP range. So I'm using .1.x, 192.168.1.x. So I'll just go ahead and open up the control panel on my Windows PC here, and I'll just search for my network settings. We're going to go to Change Adapter Settings. We're going to right-click, go to Properties, and then double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. Here my computer was set to obtain an IP address and a DNS automatically, so it was already on the correct range. But if you're on a different range, you want to go ahead and type in the range that the device is on. In this example, I'll give my computer the IP address of 192.168.1.200, subnet mask 255.255.255.0, the default gateway 192.168.1.1, and the DNS 8.8.8.8. So I select OK twice to get out of there, and then we'll just go back in to confirm that we're on the same range. Okay, if you're not on the same range, your device will not activate, so just ensure that you're on the same range. Thank you so much for watching. Please contact technical support if you have any further questions.